Alright, we've just stopped at the service station. It is raining quite a lot, like quite a lot, as you can see the rain. Yeah, I do have my hood on. We are going just at the service station now. The service station is over there. But yeah, just for a little bit of a break. The journey is a bit long, but you know, still got another like 4 hours left. But yeah, onwards. Yeah, just onwards. Burger King break. I just got a little crispy chicken there. Just a little something. Why not? We just stopped at the services again, just to stretch our legs. But good news, the sun is out. Still been on the journey for...
There's another service there.
I don't know, it's been a while. It's been a while, but it's fine. Only 18 miles, I think, I saw a sign till the official, the lakes, but we have to go a bit further in. Yeah, not long to go. Well, we made it to the Holiday Inn. There's like a nice church courtyard bit there. And this is the Holiday Inn Express. Just got to book it in, check in rather. And hopefully all goes smooth. Right, and we have made it to the hotel room. So that is literally... Oh. Sorry, Aaron. So this is literally,
yeah.
And then you come in here, and that's the room. It's actually pretty nice. It's got ironing board, iron,
that's
little closet space there, little shoe space there. And we have a sofa bed, and obviously a bed here. It's got everything. Literally got everything, and a nice view of some shops and whatnot. So yeah. Obviously, those sites will be more exciting soon. Alright, it's the morning of day 2. I've just woken up, and of course, well, my voice sounds a bit low for what it is, but planned some stuff to do today, and should be quite exciting. Got some nice waterfalls to see. Some nice peaks, hopefully, and yeah, just gonna have breakfast first. Alright, just finished breakfast and we are currently waiting to go on the journey. So I'm just chilling. It's like a little lounge place in the hotel. It's pretty nice, but should have some nice scenery for today. Very nice scenery. And I did want more sleep because I'm quite tired, but oh well. Okay, we are going to our first location on the move. Lake Tarn House or something. Obviously, I'm going to record some stuff, but we'll see how it is.
I still wouldn't classify that as a mountain. That's still a hill.
Yeah, these aren't mountains.
Yeah. These are all just hills.
Alright, we have just arrived at Lake Tarnhouse. I'm speaking a bit quietly because it is very quiet and peaceful here, so I feel like I'm shouting too loud if I speak too loudly, but it is very, very pretty. The actual lake is somewhere on that side, but yeah, we're just going to the information center first and then yeah, get all the scenery done. Why not? Look at the view. Apparently this is where Harry Potter was recorded or something, or like that place down there. That's where Harry Potter was recorded there. Going on a hike to the next waterfall. These views, look at that! I know it does not look as nice in the video or the pictures, but it looks sick. Literally look at that view. It's so expansive. I don't even tell, it's very windy. How long to climb up there? Look at that, that's the top of whatever hill or mountain this is. There's more mountains in the distance, of course. Finally we get to hike a little bit. That looks pretty nice. Yeah, this is too slippery to walk down here. Okay, this is quite a steep, not steep, but quite rocky. It's quite a rocky little place. Look, the streams going there. It's very nice. Very nice indeed. Look at all this jagged rock. And this is the actual falls. And that is the main waterfall there. Very relaxing. So the sun has decided to come out, which is beautiful. Two things though, I'm now hot and the walk up is a lot worse than the walk down, obviously. Just sat in the car and there's literally cows right in front of us. Right coming here. Okay, we are at our second destination. This is another waterfall called Skelwith or Skellith, I don't know the name. I can hear sounds. I can hear sounds obviously. Water running there, but the waterfall is somewhere on that side. Literally just trekking through the public path. This one is dope. Oh wait, to actually see the waterfall, it's on that side. That's the river there. Look at that. I'm literally just sitting on a rock. So it's quite steep. Just caught literally a dragonfly.